Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. I'm making this second video about Fibonacci. The first one already posted where I showed that my magic IB alarm start beeping on this pair. And here it is printing the message that Fibonacci short setup on 20 minute is ready. So on the other computer, this chart is from the other computer. So on the other computer, I went there and I opened the trade here and placed my SL right here as usual and let it run. And I also said that this pair has a big daily range. For example, let me show it to you that the daily range on this pair is this one. See, this indicator tells you here average 60-day range 152 pip. So that means that this white dotted line, this is where the day opens up. So it went up a little bit here and then it came down. So this today, Friday, and it's slow, usually volume dies out after London close. So it probably traveled like 100 pip, 110 pip, something like that. Right, but my entry was somewhere here, right? And it dropped. So where the heck my chart is? Let me just look for it and show it to you. Where'd it go? All right, here. So that was the entry, and see, this is the entry here. Sell order, SL move to break even right here. When it start beeping, I saw it. I opened the trade. I placed the SL here. When the price went down a little bit, I come and sit on break even. It went down all the way up, and then here is all the way down here, and then it was started to go up, right? And 85 pip from my entry to this yellow line. I was actually 90, so that's why I said 85 plus, something like 85, 86, 87, something like that, and I closed the trade. So and the reason that I close early. This is early actually because today is Friday. Like I said, that volume dies out and there is no reason to hold on to it because it can reverse. Big boys, when they close their trade, it pulls back. So on Friday, you have a danger for that. So, but it's still, 80, 90, 100 pip is more than enough. You don't need to be greedy. So this is how easy it is that when you have the alarm beeping, this is how it is. You have a setup here and then it start dropping, right? So, open a trade here immediately and then alarm helps you not only, beeps, but it will also print this message here. So you can see if multiple pairs are beeping, then you can read which one is beeping, right? And from there, this is how easy it is. Once you learn, it becomes very easy. Just mechanical, this is no emotion involved or anything. It's just simply rules to follow. That if the alarm is beeping, you come and see which one pair is beeping. Then if you have two computer or more screen, that's fine. If you have one powerful computer, i5 or more, you can easily do it. i3 will mess it up a little bit, the freezing problem. But i5, i7 are good. i9 is the best. You can open multiple MT4 in one computer, and have the on one MT4 you can have this alarm open, and once and then on the other MT4 you can do your work, analysis and this and that, different pairs, watching the weekly chart, monthly chart, what's happening, and then you can easily take the trades when the trade is ready. Like I said, this was this is the trade that I just closed for 85 pip here. Okay, that's it. That's about it. I just wanted to show you guys that how this is how easy it is. From beeping the alarm and then taking the entry, move to break SL, move to break even, let it run. Different pair has different daily range, so you make sure that you don't let something run that it has only 70 pip daily range, right? So you're not gonna get 100 pip trade from there. 30-40 pip is more than enough there, and it can reverse. But pair like this, or pound cat, pound nosy, pound yen, they can easily go to 150, 200 pip. So you can easily hold on to it to 80, 90, 100 pip, 150, 140. It's a lot of, you see me doing that all the time. That's the reason. If you know the daily range of the pair and where you made an entry and how far you still have the room to go, you can hold on to it and then pull the big one. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend and a very safe one. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system. It is a very good time. It's a Friday evening, and then you have weekend, right? So you can get the system, set up the charts, anything I can get on the Skype, and then help you out. So I want to get it, then go on my website, myforestmagicwave.com, subscribe, get the system, and get ready for the next trading week. Okay. All right. So this is for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and safe weekend.